entitled A Revisit of This or Rick Eddington. Haven't made a video for almost a year now. I've been busy in high school. And I just graduated last month. Right, here's a light. No. Start off on low. Very low. And this stands from, I believe, 2010 at Lowe's. They brought this thing back in 2009 to 2010. And they put it in this room. This room used to be brown. Now my cousin painted to blue when this fan was installed. It was installed here ever since I was like 5 or 6 years old. And this bedroom, it's my cousin's bedroom. Sorry about the mess though, she made, but whatever. It's medium. Yeah, I am using my Galaxy S5 since quality in my new Galaxy A14 quality ain't no good. Now here's high. Yeah. Now I'm gonna reverse. Low. I normally start off on low, I know. It's medium. I don't know if you can see it too much because it's light. It's so bright. Here's high. Hold on. Just a friend of mine calling me. Whatever. Now we'll cut it off. That's it. Finally want to come back to YouTube, do another video. I know y'all miss me so much. Miss me doing videos. Haven't uploaded for 11 months. It's been almost a year. Haven't uploaded since July 2022, last year. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Bye.